not the best place.
Yeah, there's other kids walking around there.
We'll just do just up to that house with the disposal unit there, the new construction.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
And then you slow down and leave me some room to go to the left of that.
To the left a little.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.